Here is our list of the top 5 best walking shoes you can get right now. The Asics GT-1000 is a versatile stability walking shoe, designed for runners needing mild to moderate support, especially those with flat feet or who overpronate. Ideal for daily training, walking, or gym use, it features updated cushioning with flight foam and softer pure gel technology for enhanced comfort and smoother landings. The 3D guidance system provides adaptive stability without the bulk of a medial post, while the engineered mesh upper offers breathability and a secure fit. Durable AHR Plus rubber enhances outsole longevity, and its lightweight build ensures comfort. The GT-1000 delivers reliable performance and value at an accessible price point. The New Balance 990 V6 is a premium versatile sneaker that blends classic design with modern performance technology. It features a fuel cell midsole for a responsive propulsive feel and in-cap cushioning for all-day support and stability. The upper combines breathable mesh with pigskin suede and synthetic overlays in a streamlined modern silhouette. Reflective accents and a TPU heel tab add function and style. Designed for comfort, it suits walking, light workouts, or casual wear. With exceptional arch support and durability, it appeals to those with foot issues or lifestyle needs. The New Balance 990 V6 remains a stylish, reliable choice for everyday performance and comfort. The Adidas Ultraboost Lite is a lightweight cushioned walking shoe designed for daily training and casual wear. Featuring a new Light Boost midsole that's 30% lighter and offers greater energy return, it enhances performance while reducing fatigue. The Prime Knit Plus upper ensures a breathable sock-like fit, and the LEP system boosts responsiveness by improving toe-off propulsion. A Continental rubber outsole delivers excellent traction and durability. With added heel padding, a 10mm drop, and recycled materials like Parley Ocean plastic, it balances comfort, support, and sustainability, ideal for heel strikers, neutral runners, and those seeking all-day style and performance. The Allbirds tree runners are lightweight, breathable shoes made from eco-friendly eucalyptus tree fiber, offering a cool, flexible fit, ideal for daily wear and travel. They feature a cushioned sweet foam midsole derived from sugarcane for sustainable comfort, and recycled materials like plastic bottle laces and castor bean oil-based insoles enhance their low-impact design. With a minimalist aesthetic, machine washability, and comfortable sockless wear, they're perfect for warm weather, walking, and casual outings. While not built for intense workouts, the tree runners excel in comfort, sustainability, and versatility, appealing to environmentally conscious individuals seeking stylish everyday footwear. The Hoka Clifton 9 is a lightweight, well-cushioned walking shoe, designed for daily training, long runs, and casual wear. It features a softer, more responsive ride, thanks to an updated compression-molded EVA midsole with an added 3mm of stack height. The engineered knit upper offers breathable foot-hugging comfort, while a gusseted tongue and padded heel collar ensure a secure fit. Hoka's early-stage meta rocker and inherently stable geometry promote smooth transitions and support for neutral runners. Durable rubber in high-wear areas enhances grip and longevity. The Clifton 9 also incorporates recycled materials for a more sustainable design.